Hi guys, it's Adam from Enhanced Performance TV. We're in a slightly different surround today. I'll probably get onto that on a later video. Hope you're all well. I'm really sorry it's been a long time since I've done a video, but today I'm back with a new product. Sort of new anyway. So I'll get straight to it. I'm sorry about my voice, I'm not feeling too well, but I'll crack on. So, you may have seen these before, previously under a different name. We're actually bringing them back to the market. The previous person who developed them and was going ahead with them had some difficulty. We decided to step in and take over. So these are now produced in the UK. They are manufactured by ourselves in the UK. And this is now a Car Enhancements UK product. So what it is, if you don't already know, it's a fog trim surround for a MK8 Fiesta pre-facelift. It will fit on the ST model and the ST line model as well. It's a simple trim. It's supplied with 3M double-sided tape, and it simply sticks over the top of the surround just to give you a bit more of an aggressive look with the fins. Don't know if you can see them there with the light. So, in the kit, you receive a left and a right trim piece. You get a QR code to our instructions video, which you can also see on our YouTube channel. I'll try and pop a notification up there, but I'm a bit crap with that. And in the kit as well, you also get 2 IPA wipes. Now, these are not for cleaning the car. You must clean the car first using warm soapy water and then use these. If there is any dirt on these wipes at all once you've wiped this around, then you have not cleaned the car correctly. This is simply to help activate the glue. Okay, so one of the main reasons that we've brought them back to market is because the previous company that was selling them was dealing them on their own website and also through ourselves, and we did tend to sell, I'm wobbling now, we did tend to sell a lot more than what they did. It was a really good, strong product for us. We really like the design of it. It's a really good piece. But one of the key complaints that we used to get and that we used to flag was that the price was just too high. So what we've done is we've reduced the retail price of these items from £85 down to £60. That's right, £60. So that's all these are now. These are £60 a pair. Now, when you consider the price of some rear spats from Maxton Design at 72 quid that are a lot smaller, that now makes these exceptional value for money in my opinion. So yeah, they're now £60 a pair. They now come with a 12-month guarantee. Obviously the guarantee does not cover if it comes unstuck because that's a fitting issue, but the guarantee does cover any breakages or anything like that. Obviously if you have a front end collision, we wouldn't cover that. They are in stock and ready to ship. We have got 100 pairs in stock as of this video right now. We will constantly have them in stock. We're not going to be traipsing around and making people wait. This will be an on-the-shelf item. So if the only thing that was holding you back the last time that these were on the market was the price, now is the time to get in on them. They're absolutely fantastic. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to chuck a video over the top of myself showing you how these are made. It's really fascinating. Watch this now and tell me that you're not fascinated. So yeah, there you have it. One other thing to remember is they come with a clear film on, hence the white sticker. Just make sure that when you fit them that you peel the film off. When you receive them, you might notice that there's a few scratches on the face. That's literally just the clear film, and that just peels straight off. Have a look at the installation video. They take about 5 minutes per side. Well, not even 5 minutes per side, probably 5 minutes a set to fit. And they completely transform the look of your car. Here's a few photos of them fitted. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.